So guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make something nice with your sweet potato, so delicious for breakfast. You can see what we have here. This is not pizza, but I made this with potato, sweet potato. My kids call it potato pizza. So guys, let's start cooking. So my people, for our potato recipe, you can see I have some sweet potatoes here. We are using sweet potato for this. So when you want to peel it, you can use this to peel, you can use this to peel, and you can use your knife to peel. It depends on the one that is suitable for you. So this is it. You peel and peel until you are done peeling. For the knife, you do something like this and peel. But why I don't like using the knife is that after peeling, my hand tends to stick together. So I prefer using the potato peeler when I am peeling. Then for this one, you peel like so. But I'm more comfortable while I use this one. So I'll peel until I am done with it. So after peeling, this is what we have. What I'm going to do now is to cut them into a smaller chunk, not too small, because if it's too small, it might melt in the pot. So you cut it into chunks like this, and when you are done cooking it, you now cut again into smaller chunks. This is what we have. So now let's go and cook. So in your pot of water, you now add in the sweet potatoes and let it cook until it is soft. So after adding, or just add in just little salt or taste, cover the pot and let it cook. While the potato is cooking, let us prep our vegetables. We are using some red pepper and then green pepper and some tomatoes to make our breakfast so lovely. Guys, if you are new here, I say welcome, and if you have been following me, I say thank you so very much. Keep liking my videos, keep sharing. Let me know where you are watching from and let me give you a hug. Hello to Ebele from Canada, Sibera from America. I love you guys. Keep watching and keep sharing. So just keep on slicing until you are done. Potato is already cooked. So what I'll do now is to cut them into smaller chunks. So if you have cut them smaller than this, they will just melt in the pot. But you see, they are together at this point. Someone asked me, can I use Irish potato for this? I said yes, of course you can, because some people don't like sweet potato, they prefer Irish potato, so you can use either of them. Both are just too okay. After cutting the potatoes into smaller chunks, you now get your eggs and crack in your eggs in a bowl. I'm using 5 for this. You can add as much egg as you want to use. So you mix very well until they are all together. You now add all the vegetables that you want to add. You can use any vegetables that you want. So here I have green pepper, I have tomatoes, I have red pepper, then of course, as a Naija babe, I have some habanero pepper, which is hot. But you can skip that if you do not want to add it. And I have some runner beans here. So after adding all this, I'll now add in some chopped onions. Stir very well. You can see how colorful this looks now. Then now add seasoning of your choice. Then now add in some salt for it to have that good taste that you want. So combine everything very well again. And after doing this, you now bring in the cut potatoes and add into the batter. This can serve as breakfast, or you can even snack on it. This is looking so good. So after doing this, we now go over to the gas cooker so we can now cook. So get your frying pan on the fire, then you now spray in some oil. You use non-stick for this so it doesn't get stuffed when it is cooking. Add enough cooking oil, or you can use butter for this. So now you can pour in the mixture, spread it very well. You can see how colorful this looks like. This is so delicious. And after that, if you have some cheese, you can get in some more red pepper and green pepper and chop it again. Then cover the pot and let it start cooking slowly. After cooking for 7 minutes on a slow heat, I come to check our meal. And guys, this is what we have. Our potato recipe is ready. You can see how the edges are looking. So I'll just take it out now and let it cool before serving, because it is now time to serve and enjoy. So get ready. This is what we have. When my kids were so small, they would say, "Mommy, make potato pizza for us," because it looks like pizza, but this is potato. It is not pizza. So you now use your pizza cutter to now cut. This is looking so amazing. You can take this with green tea, coffee, or you can even take it with your oats as breakfast. So guys, this is what we have. Serve and enjoy. If I've watched me up to this moment, thank you so very much. Keep liking, keep sharing, and I will see you in my next. Bye bye.